Hello everybody, I'm Scotty. Welcome back to Scotties Clock World. We're ready to start cleaning up some of the parts, getting rid of the rust off them. The ones that have come out of the ultrasonic cleaner. As you can see, the fly here is quite rusty. Has a very rusty pinion on it, just there. So we'll run over that first and remove the rust from that. The Dremel's been warmed up, so we're ready to roll. There's actually quite a fair bit of rust on that. We've got some of it off, but there's still some of it there. It's not easy to get rust out from in between the leaves on a pinion. It's a little bit on there. We'll try that, see how we go. That pinion came up a bit better, only because it wasn't as bad to start with. The warning wheel here that's rusty. I'll run over that. It's a bit better. I'll have to get onto the fly with some steel wool in a moment. Then we'll have a look at that. Now we do the lift rod on one of the bellows. Go in there. I think that one's... that one works alright, but it's got a couple of rust marks on it. You can see there, and there's a little hole in there right in the center, so I'll have to redo those bellows anyway. Right, well, we'll start off with this lift lever here. Get my lockjaw pliers out. Needs to be tighter than that. Bit fiddly, these things, but anyway, once you get them, they stay there. Okay, that'll do us. Now we'll start to clean this up with the Dremel. That's looking a bit better. The other end of the wire. Now for the tip I said I had for you. And there it is. Little piece of cotton cloth, about the size of a postage stamp. It's saturated in oil. No oil will drip out of it, but it's very wet. It's the final step we do once we've re-blued cheese head screws for French mantle clocks, etc. Once the screw head has been blued and then quenched in water, and then take it out with a pair of tweezers. Put it into this cloth and rub it round like so. And that gives it a very, very fine layer of oil on it, so that it lasts a long, long time. So I'll do the same thing on this lift wire. Rub it on there. You can see we're also getting rid of the bits of rust that we've removed with the Dremel. That wire now is not oily, but it has a very fine layer of oil on it, which will stop it rusting over a much longer period of time. We'll put that back into its container. That just keeps it moist so it doesn't dry out. Now I'll have a look at the bird rod. That's got some rust on it too. All right, we'll do that next. This centerpiece here is not too bad actually. I'll just run over that with a piece of steel wool. Twist it round, backwards and forwards. Run it up and down. You can see that's a lot cleaner than it was. Now I'll do this piece up here. That looks pretty good actually. Now we're into the diabolical part up here. Right, we'll get a start on that. I'll actually put it in our lock-jaw pliers, make it a lot easier to hold it. Okay, here we go. Turn the Dremel on. Right, that doesn't look too bad. I'll run over with our steel wool, then we'll wipe it down with our oil cloth. Take it out of the vice grips, wipe it the full length, down there, and that little lever there. I'll hold that with the tweezers while I close up this wire down here so it doesn't come out again, so that we've got the bellows lifts.
If you want to learn how to service, repair and restore 19th and 20th century mechanical clocks, then subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell.